Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 3N. This is a studio apartment located on the 3rd floor of the building. Let's go on inside. Your kitchen is on your left with your dishwasher, your electric oven and range, your microwave, and your refrigerator. You'll have a nice large hall closet with 2 access doors. On inside your living space, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, desk and a desk chair, and a bookshelf. One unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings and tall windows that let in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment. The unit is air-conditioned and has an extra heating element. Another unique feature of our building is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing in the bathroom, a nice large bathroom with an extra little storage nook, a full shower and tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of apartment 3N. Call us today for availability.